This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
Oh my God. Oh God! Oh fuck! Oh shit! Oh. Like that? Holy shit balls. Whoa, slow down, Mikey, slow down, slow down. Hey, Mike, you okay? Are you okay? I think I'm good, I got gas in my... Whoa!
Oh my God.
Oh!
How the frick did that happen?
I have no clue.
He didn't give them permission, so they didn't. Well, eventually, I think it was Peggy. Eventually, they're like, well, we're gonna do it. And they jumped the fence. Oh, damn. No, no, no. No!
Ah! God! Fucking damn it! Fucking hell!
Julie's waiting. Good. Hey, I'm gonna send Maurice McGee and his limo service back your way to go to the Fairfield.
Something related to both. You call that the faceless octopus. Contra. The faceless octopus.
said. Like Ten Soon, the Guardian. Or the person who gave me this hearing. They can take the corpses of the dead, and you...
Kids! What the fuck? Oh my fucking god!
Oh, next Tuesday we get tips.
This Tuesday we get the pay from what we done. Next Tuesday we get the tips from what we done.
Alright.
For some reason it takes a whole week for them to... Oh shit!
Oh, fuck. Don't come towards us. Oh shit, he hurt pretty bad.
You got that on damn?
Look, $5, $6.
Oh shit!
What the f? Oh, look at the car. Baby, what the
I gotta go
fuck?
help. I gotta go help.
Yeah. Park over there, oh my god.
I just got all that on film too.